Gray skies have meant that we're looking at more gloomy conditions, a struggle to warm up today. In fact, we never saw temperatures rise above the 30s in the valley. And this is a view from the North Dakota DOT in New Rockford. You can see that we still have snow on the ground here. Temperatures did not warm up much, and we're looking at snow still there. It hasn't melted yet. So feeling and looking more like we're edging our way toward winter rather than just at the beginning of October here in the valley. Here's a look at our temperatures. We're at 38 degrees in Fargo, 37 up in Grand Forks. All of us in the valley into the 30s, some mid to some upper 30s out there. So a cool evening now for us. And heading into tonight, those temperatures will begin their slide. Visibility looks good. That's good to report. We had a really murky day yesterday with the rain and the snow that was coming down. And looking at your wind speeds, they're not too bad. We're looking at winds less than 10 miles per hour in most cases here in the valley coming in out of the north. So here's a look at our radar and satellite map. Nice to talk about. No precipitation affecting us at the moment. We do have some clouds throughout the valley. Hard to depict on our infrared satellite that measures temperature, and where we have the cold cloud tops. That's where we're looking at those areas of brighter white. It's harder to detect those clouds closer to the ground because the temperature difference between the ground and those temperatures isn't much. So it's there. If you look up, you'll see it. And across the tri-state area, still looking pretty quiet for us right now as well. So dry and just plain cloudy here for us. Checking out your hour-by-hour planner. Expect this evening to remain on the cloudier side. We might see some breaks developing in the overnight hours in some of those clouds with temperatures that are sliding down into the low 30s for some of us overnight, and maybe a couple of spots getting into some upper 20s to start off the day tomorrow. I'm hoping we might get a moment or two of sun in the morning hours once that sun rises, but really we are looking at a more cloudy day, especially as we progress through the day. We're going to see clouds on the increase. Temperatures will be slightly warmer. We'll see some 40s coming up for us in the valley with wind coming in out of the northeast. And then heading into the afternoon and evening hours around this time tomorrow, this is 5 o'clock, you can see we're mostly cloudy and we're starting to see some precip showing up on the map. Some rain starts to edge its way into the south and west again, and that just continues to spread into the valley through the evening hours and into the late night hours for your Sunday night. So most of the day tomorrow we should be on the dry side. Still cool and cloudy though for the valley. The rain takes over later in the day, especially after sunset, I would say, and that just continues into the day on your Monday. And this week coming up looks pretty rough for us too. This photo sent to us from Sabrina. She called this one When Worlds Collide. We've got a mix of fall and winter right here in this shot in Clearbrook. Mother Nature a little confused here lately, and we're looking at some cool weather as we head into the week. For tonight, again, we're looking pretty quiet. That continues through Sunday. Heading into Sunday night and Monday morning, the rain starts up. Monday looks like a wet one. We're looking at chances for rain throughout the day. Tuesday, maybe a break in the morning, and then some showers move in. And then as we head into Wednesday, some of that rain switches over to snow again. Breezy conditions through the week too, and that snow may linger into Thursday. Before that moves on, we're starting to see some signs of a break in this pattern coming up at the end of the forecast. So hopefully that continues to be showing up on those forecast models for us. I think a lot of us could use a break.
Yeah, it's good to see sunshine and some warmer temperatures.
Eventually.
Yes, eventually. Thank you, Lisa.